So here we go. This is the Apple Card. Very simple packaging. Cardboard box. Very nice. And then I'll show you guys how to activate the card, which you've probably seen is done a million times on YouTube. And then we'll have the essential drop tests. All right, guys, now it's time to activate our Apple Card. Here we go. I'll select only while using the app. That's it. All right, pretty easy. Here we go. This is the card. It has the Apple logo on the front. It has the chip. Goldman Sachs, MasterCard logo. Now we have the obligatory drop test. Good weight to it.